श्रीमद्भागवतं नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टु श्री सुखमहर्षि यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्। In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Sri Sukha Yogindra, before he begins teachings to Parikshit Narendra, now he is doing namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, saying that the one who is the Atma to all the Atmas, such Paramatma, such Paramapurusha, Sriman Narayana, I am doing namaskaram to. O Parikshit Narendra, people does yoga abhyasam, and for them Atma Darshanam is the result. Once they do Atma Darshanam, they are such a great yogis. To all those yogis, sa yesha Atma, Atmavatamadhishvaraha. For all those yogis, the main Atma, Paramatma, Parama Prabhu is Sriman Narayana. To such Sriman Narayana, I am doing namaskaram. The one who gives fruits to all the yogis, such Sriman Narayana I am doing namaskaram to. Or Parikshit Narendra, the one who is worshipped by all kind of rituals which are disclosed by Vedas is Sriman Narayana. To such Sriman Narayana I am doing namaskaram. O Parikshit Narendra, the one who is disclosed by Upanishads, the one who is disclosed by all the Upasanas, the one who is realized by all the Upasanas which are disclosed by Upanishads. To such Sriman Narayana I am doing namaskaram. O Parikshit Narendra, the only one who can give moksham, to such Sriman Narayana I am doing namaskaram. O Parikshit Narendra, even Brahma, Rudra and any Devata cannot perceive the entirety of the attributes of Paramatma. To such Paramapurusha Sriman Narayana I am doing namaskaram. O Parikshit Narendra, Sriman Narayana is the one, Shriyapatihi, Yajnapatihi, Prajapatihi, Dhiyampatihi, Lokapatihi, Dharapatihi. Sriman Narayana is the one, Sripati. Sriman Narayana is Lakshmi Devi's spouse. Sriman Narayana is Yajnapati. Sriman Narayana is the protector of all the souls. Sriman Narayana is the one who controls, governs intellect of every soul. Sriman Narayana is the one who is the master of all the worlds. Sriman Narayana is the master of all the people who are living in all the worlds. Sriman Narayana is protector of this bhulokam. Sriman Narayana is the one who came down as Rama. Sriman Narayana is the one who came down as Krishna. Sriman Narayana is the one who came down as Narasimha, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Vamana. O Parikshit Narendra, Sriman Narayana is the one who has taken so many forms, avatars to give his most miraculous, wonderful, divine activities and most of his presence to the great devotees. That is how he made all the great devotees happy. The main purpose of Sriman Narayana coming down in different avatarams is to make sadhu samrakshana, means make all the great bhaktas happy. O Parikshit Narendra, Sriman Narayana is the one who killed all the bad people. Sriman Narayana is the one who preserves dharma. Such Parama Purusha, to such Sriman Narayana, I am doing namaskaram. Such Sriman Narayana, Prasidatam me Bhagavan Satam Patihi, may he bless all of us. May he shower his anugraham on me. O Parikshit Narendra, such Sriman Narayana, may he be perceived by me easily. Sulabhundauga kanaku eppudun. To such Sriman Narayana, to such Parama Purusha, I am doing namaskaram, I am surrendering. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra, while disclosing the glory of Sriman Narayana, and he is surrendering to Sriman Narayana before he begins his teachings to Parikshit Narendra. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Ashram. Jai Sriman Narayana.